Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Life with Fatma Zahir. I'm back with another video, another review. We recently bought the Kenwood refillable steam station, that is the steam iron. So I thought to give you a review of it. As you can see, it is 2600 watt in power and it has a capacity of 1.8 liter water. It has a water tank beneath the station, and you add water in it makes steam, and then you can iron your clothes very easily within like 5 minutes. You can iron a shirt and you can go to work or whatever you want to do with it. So it's a very nice steam iron, and this is around 36,000 rupees in Islamabad that we bought. And you can see the box. As you can see, it has an intelligent auto off. A lot of today's devices have auto off or safety features. That means that if it is left horizontally for 10 minutes, it will automatically turn off. And as I said, it has a refillable tank of 1.8 liters. You're supposed to clean it not with corrosive material or any corrosive liquid, but just rinse it out and you can reuse and refill that station so that it can make steam and you can do your ironing very quickly. Also, it has a self cleaning button, as you can see on the dial also, that you have a self cleaning button. I'll show you when I open the box, and this is how it looks. I'll just pull out the water tank by pressing this button, and there's a lever on top where it opens and you can pour your water. Okay, the thing is that it's said to not use mineral water but only tap water. As you can see, there's a maximum mark that the water should not go beyond this point. So this is normal water, tap water that you will use in your iron. Once the water compartment is full or reached the maximum point, you can push it back to the place where it came out from. And then obviously the power is on. So you just need to, uh, see the dial in which power you need, like it's a lower power or a higher power. Usually that is according to the type of cloth that you're ironing. So you can choose the lower point or the highest point from the dial. There's also a self cleaning point which you can use for cleaning purposes. So this is it. So once you power on the machine, the light that is shown, it starts blinking. That means it is on and it is warming up, and then it becomes a constant blue light. That is the point when you can start using your iron. Okay, there's a button beneath the handle of the button which is the steam booster. So if you want more steam for ironing, so you can press that button and start your ironing. Also, there was this pamphlet, so you can read the power and whatever that is. Also, this is anti-drip. So the other steam irons are not anti-drip. You will see that always is some water dripping from it. So this one is anti-drip, and once you start ironing, you can start boosting the steam iron. As you can see, I've started ironing a cloth that I just placed. So this, at this moment, I forgot to turn the dial to the higher point, but it was still working. So you can use this, and for us it's a very nice iron. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.